Hello, this is Chad Wallace with Supply Chain Yokoten. I got a video I think you guys will enjoy today, going over Lean, the Toyota production system. Whether you're just starting your Lean journey or if you want some tips on taking your continuous improvement journey to the next level. First of all, I want to talk about the benefits of Lean, the Toyota production system. Increased productivity, reduction of waste, improved quality, increased cash flow, reduced lead time to your customers. Next, I'm going to go over my experience from my days working at Toyota Motor Manufacturing in Kentucky in production control and conveyance. Class taught by Mike Hostess recently, just last year, the co-author of The Toyota Culture and Heart and Soul of the Toyota Way. I encourage you guys to read this book. And some other books I've read also that you can see here. I want to encourage you guys to read some of these books also. And over 20 years experience working in manufacturing in companies practicing lean cultures, Mitsubishi, Idemitsu, Toyota, for example, Linac. 3 ways to lean leadership by Joto Cho, former president of Toyota Manufacturing Kentucky. First one is to go and see. Senior management must spend time on the production floor. Ask why. Some of you guys probably heard the 5 whys. Use why as a technique daily. Show respect and respect your people. This is one of my favorite slides, the pillars of the Toyota Way. And the 2 pillars, continuous improvement and respect for people. If you do not respect your people, you cannot have continuous improvement. And the pillars are based on challenging your people, Kaizen, the continuous improvement, Gensha Gensu, which is the go and see, respect, and teamwork. One of the 14 principles of the Toyota Way. You want to think of a long-term philosophy, not just thinking short-term. The right process will produce the right results. A pull system to avoid overproduction, Kanban. Level out the workload, Hajunka. Stop and fix quality issues, Jidoka, which is, you see the andon lever on this guy here. When you find a quality problem, just stop the line. Standardize task, and of course you have to standardize your task to have continuous improvement, Kaizen. Visual control, so no problems are hidden. Continue on. Only tested technology used that serves the people. Grow leaders who thoroughly understand the work, live the philosophy, and teach others. Build teams that share the success. Respect your extended network of partners and suppliers by challenging them and helping them improve. Go and see for yourself, Gensha Genpa. Make decisions slowly, consider all options, and improvement decisions rapidly. So you want to slowly make decisions and rapidly implement them. Become a learning organization through relentless reflection, Hansa, and also continuous improvement, Kaizen. And a lot of people say, well, where do I get started? Or what practice do we need to start with? I would suggest a plan, do, check, act. And this is a decision tree that you want to use as far as problem solving. Conduct energy audits, establish baselines, identify priorities, set to improve the goals and targets, do, implement actions, planning and achieve goals, check, monitor, measure, find and fix, and document your results, and act, evaluate, apply lessons learned, and modify as necessary. And this is your continuous improvement decision tree here. And here's my contact information, and I guess I want to encourage you guys to subscribe to the videos, and if you guys need any help or encouragement on your lean journey, please contact me, and thank you. Have a good day.